That's all, man.
Went last year.
Can you give us some information about it?
It was fun as hell. Yeah, I went for the first time last year. It was awesome. Lots of vendors. I got a bike show. Bought some David Mann prints last year while I was there, and I got them framed and put them on my wall in my den. So that was cool. David Mann, he's a motorcycle artist. He did spreads for Easy Rider magazine for years and years and years, and he died several years ago. And so the Chopperfest is like a memorial rally event for him every year, and it celebrates his art, and it celebrates you know, artists that do things in the style of his art. And yeah, it's a really good time. Marie's bike, this lady needs to get here, so we need to move all of our bikes.
Yeah. Can you reach under? Obviously, the comfort of it is the most important thing. It's a fucking touring bike, so if I'm gonna be riding, you know, 2,000–3,000 miles, I want to be comfortable. Exactly. So the backrest, man, is anybody who doesn't have one, I'm like, get one, because then you don't feel like you're holding on to the bike. You can actually kind of relax and just ride. So we came last year, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we were here last year.
This is turning into some sort of a tradition now.
I think so, and you know what? This is actually one of the...
Hey!
So fuck, my little Hindu friend.
Looking forward to seeing all these beautiful motorcycles. It's going to be a beautiful day. It's already turning out to be a gorgeous day. It's going to be a lot of motorcycles, food, ladies, lots of fun, and fucking bikers. Yeah!
Get my leg that high. Yeah, this thing last year was pretty cool.
It's like a regular bar.
Nope, it's just the look.
What's up? You were an ink master, right?
Yes, sir.
I really like it. That's what I was telling Kristen, how nice it is.
Ready? Well, yeah.
Oh, it looks like you.
So it's lovely and so awesome.
That's how you really feel?
That's how I really feel. Ask Christian, how do you really feel? How do you feel? How do you feel, Marie?
are, by the way.
I hear ya.
I still am.
You still am. I get it.
I thought you were gonna do a shot of that.
What, for on your daughter? Or
For my daughter. No, for my daughter, you just touch her body.
So we're done with the 15th annual David Mann Show. Another great evening out here. As usual, tons of awesome bikes, tons of awesome friends. Always here to have a good time. Thank you for watching us, and subscribe, click, like, do it!